hello, namaste. This is Varsha. Hope you all are doing good. Today let's make an oats and banana smoothie. To make this smoothie, we need oats. We can use either rolled oats or instant oats. Let's start by roasting the oats on low flame. Roasting the oats will reduce phytic acid content in the oats. After roasting the oats, let them completely cool down. For making this smoothie, we need chopped bananas, honey, water, cinnamon, sliced almonds, chia seeds, some berries, roasted oats. Instead of roasted oats, we can use overnight soaked oats also. Let's make the smoothie. Take a mixie jar, add 2 pieces of cinnamon, add roasted and cooled oats, add sliced banana. Try to add fully ripe bananas so that it gives natural sweetness to the smoothie. If frozen bananas are available, you can use them also. Add a glass of water. Blend this until it is mixed nicely and there are no lumps of banana or no chunks of cinnamon. If you like this thinner, add more water. Let's transfer this into a serving glass. Our healthy oat smoothie is ready. If you want, you can just have it as it is. But I like to have it a little crunchy, chewy and yummy. So let's garnish it. Add some chopped banana pieces. Add some sliced almonds. Add some chia seeds, cranberries and blueberries. Let's top it with honey. This oats, banana and cinnamon smoothie is a simple and quick breakfast recipe that keeps your stomach full for a longer time in a healthier way. This works great for those who are trying to lose weight. For every sip, you will experience different tastes in a healthier way. Please do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.